Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here at
Wilkesboro Dragway, test and tune.
let's just go ahead and get right to the chase. Chris, tell us about the race coming up April
15th, yes, first April 14th at your place. We're going to do Dyno Night.
Again.
This
is second year or
second year.
Second year.
We did it last October. Highest horsepower car will get $500 courtesy of Full Tilt No Prep, and then we're also going to give away a bunch of prizes as well, right?
Yep.
And then April 15th will be the main event. We'll have small tire, True Street, and Extreme Street.
So it's Full Tilt No Prep. Guys, be looking for that on Facebook. We'll have a banner up on Facebook about the Dyno Night and everything. So anything interesting here tonight that you've seen? Or
I see a couple of interesting cars here.
Yeah, I've seen
Billy the Kid and
the old man.
The old man, yeah.
Maybe we'll catch him making some passes.
I hope so. I haven't seen the S10 yet, but the Falcon looked like it made a good hit.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
The guys, they're getting ready to make some more noise, so hope you enjoy it. And stay
April
with
15th.
It. Yeah, April 15th.
Come on out. Good show.
Breakage on the track.
It's snapping the whole. It's leaking out of the back too.
Yeah, broke grab shaft.
Oh boy.
What you think that pass from Kappas?
Not fast enough for a Blue Mustang.
Oh my God. Done pretty good though.
Blue Mustang.
Not fast enough for a blue Mustang. What do you think about this?
Feels good outside.
Exactly.
Some of you might have seen this Malibu coming up here before.
I know it's not your car. You couldn't resist it though, could
He
you?
asked me to. I wasn't gonna turn him down.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, I mean, it still went a 7.2.
Wow. I missed that fast, but you was strolling.
Yeah, it was moving that time.
How'd you feel about it?
It felt good. It felt. It probably would have been mid-6s, I think. I don't know if I just missed a gear or if I grabbed the wrong gear.
Yeah. Well, our first thing was I hope nothing broke or.
I just know I went and I grabbed the gear and it got a big fireball, so I let out.
Yeah. Mister, I'm on a kill tune tonight.
Done the Hail Mary tune. I've got it. Got it going down pat now.
Do we tell what it was or not the ET, but
It run 89 mile an hour. I was on 8 pounds of boost. Done all right. Personal best.
fastest street car in where you live?
Oh yeah, most definitely. Most definitely.
All I know is you come up to me and said, "Hey, I've got this much boost," and I said, "Put 2 more in."
2 more works.
2 more works.
2 more made a personal best tonight, so done good.
It looked good.
Yeah.
It looked real good. Check this out. Make sure there ain't nothing wrong with this one.
It didn't feel like this shit, but it didn't feel.
Yeah, I think we're good on this one. So is this shake and bake here again?
Shake and bake all the time anymore.
You not gonna go with us to race? Put you on the spot.
I would like to, but there's a blue Mustang that's entered modern, and
Oh my God.
I had a bad view last time, and I don't know if I can handle it again.
It would make for a good finals again if
would,
it
yeah.
happened.
Shake and bake 1 and 2, yep.
It'd be nice. It'd be nice. You got everybody tested, tuned, ready to rock and roll?
Best as we can be.
We're gonna give it our best shot. We're gonna get you some more testing, and we're gonna get you at a couple of races.
Yep, more backside, and I think I can do it.
Sounds like a plan. Guys, hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one. Any last words?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, thank you.